In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add ChatGPT widget to your Android home screen. Ensure you have the latest version of the ChatGPT Android app installed on your device. Unlock your device and long press on a blank space on your home screen. Select Widgets from the options at the bottom, and in the search bar, type ChatGPT. Long press the ChatGPT widget and drag it to your desired location on the home screen. Tap the message field on the ChatGPT widget to enter a text query directly. Just upgrade to ChatGPT Plus subscription to enable image queries by tapping on the camera or image icon. But if not, you can just use the GPT 3.5 free version by text-only prompts. Use the microphone also to enter prompts using your voice. And tap the headphones icon to engage in conversation mode with ChatGPT. Unlock the power of conversational AI right at your fingerprints with ChatGPT widget on your Android home screen. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.